In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a laptop that's stuck on a black screen. A black screen can look scary, but in many cases, it's caused by something simple, like a temporary glitch, a loose connection, or a display setting. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a series of practical checks and fixes you can try at home, starting from the easiest and safest options. Follow along step by step, and feel free to pause the video as you go. First, let's make sure your laptop is actually powered on. Look for any signs of life, indicator lights near the keyboard or power button, a faint sound from the fan, or keyboard backlighting. If you don't see or hear anything, hold down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds to force the laptop off. Then wait a few seconds and press it again to turn it back on. Make sure your charger is plugged into both the wall and the laptop securely, and that any power strip you're using is switched on. If the laptop powers on but the screen is still black, the next step is to check the brightness and display controls. Some laptops have function keys that can turn the screen brightness all the way down or switch the display to an external monitor. Try gently pressing the brightness up key several times. Then, press the display toggle key, usually combined with the function key, to cycle between the built-in display and any external display modes. Now, if you have an external monitor or a TV available, connect your laptop to it using HDMI or whatever cable your laptop supports. Turn on the external screen and wait a few seconds. If you can see your desktop or a login screen there, that means your laptop is running, but the built-in display might be the issue. In that case, keep using the external monitor temporarily and back up any important files. Then, consider having the internal screen checked by a technician. If nothing shows on the external screen either, shut the laptop down again. Disconnect the charger and, if your model allows, remove the battery. Hold the power button down for about 20 seconds to discharge any residual power. Then reconnect the battery and charger and power it back on. This simple reset can clear some hardware glitches. Finally, if the screen is still black after these steps, listen for beeps or look for blinking lights. These can be error codes specific to your laptop's brand. At this point, it's best to consult your laptop manufacturer's support page or bring the laptop to a professional for a deeper diagnosis, knowing you've already tried the most common home fixes.